This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn on private browsing on Safari in iPhone iOS 17. You can easily turn on private browsing mode, and if you turn on this feature, whenever you try to open private browsing on Safari, you have to unlock it using your face lock. To enable it, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll down here and you will get this option here, require Face ID to unlock private browsing. So enable this option from here. So that's how we can turn on private browsing on Safari in iPhone iOS 17. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.